Alright guys, I'd bring you an update. This is not exactly how it's going together, it's just that's kind of roughly how it's going to look. I originally planned on using these forks, but I don't think they're going to be strong enough. So I'm going to custom build something out of probably this, which is the same stuff I used to make this frame. As you can hear, a little thin. So, but that's roughly how it's gonna look. Trailer's gonna be about there. It's gonna be on a bit of an angle because that means the engine and transmission will be tipped back semi into alignment. And yeah, then I'm gonna weld this neck piece on here. Take that plastic off and then combobulate something around the wheel there that is detachable. I just wanted to see how much height I needed. So here is the trailer. Oh Maya, shut up. Yes, you're mad because I took away your ball. Bugging me while I'm trying to make a video. Yeah. Crazy dog. Anyway, yeah, I got the transmission mounted. Yeah, stupid camera. Gotta be so friggin' far away for this thing. Oh, and that's a terrible light angle. There, I'll just spin this bad boy around. Maya! Stop it! Transmission's mounted. Just with a temporary tack weld. Just a little tack there and tack there. Because I may need to... Maya? No. I may need to adjust the angle on the transmission before it's all said and done. There's the motor plate from the lawnmower. And I just got a shitload of little pieces welded on there. I know she's good and strong because before I put the motor on, I stood on the motor plate and no problems. Ah, stupid starter fell off. That's okay. And there's the underside. There's my tranny bracket, which is just held on by the stock tranny bolts there, just tightened down in a V groove. Holds my transmission. And there's all the motor mountings. I'll probably put on a couple more, but for now she's pretty damn solid. That's pretty much it, guys. I also had to weld the wheel actor, the friggin' bearings on because the bolt hole's right there. And I wanted to get maximum ride height. Bottom of the chassis should be able to be pretty much flat. Gonna need a little dip for the tranny here, so I'll put a little skid plate kind of thing over that. Same for the drive gear, put a little T-bar. I have two flat plates come across this way and one this way so that it'll skim stones over it. But that's pretty much it for now, guys. Yeah. Just give me a minute, Maya. There. There we go. And the gas tank fits on in the frame like so. And there's going to be a hood, yeah, like a roof over it. And I'm going to cut like a air intake into, oh, excuse me, either into the top of the thing, yeah, the hood, so it can pull clean air in through the top of the hood, Or I'll have hoses coming from underneath, like a cold air intake for the cooling. Not too worried about the carburetor, it should be fine. Even if it does get a little warm in the trailer, it shouldn't be that bad. The bottom's going to be totally open. Not going to enclose it like I originally planned, so breathing should be fine. And then once I get it working and tested, I'm going to clean up all these welds. Like just grind them down smooth and whatnot, and then get the frame painted. And get the, I'm not really worried about the frame, just, you know, the outside bits. And get the body painted. Cut the cowl for the intake. And just hook up some cables, so I got the 3-speed working with the manual belt clutch. Oh, and I'll show you guys how that works right now. Everything's on an angle so that it lines up. So there's the transmission pulley, and the angle allows for it to go under the motor. Yeah. There's no oil in the motor, so I don't gotta worry about it. Which allows it to go, holy fucking sun glare. Yeah, there we go, under the motor, like so, on the angle. And you can see the transmission's tilted too far forward. That's why I just did the tacks, but I don't know how low it's gonna be when I put the gear on it, so I just left it so I can adjust it. I originally welded this whole thing on and then had to cut it off again. But that's where we're at right now, guys. It shouldn't be too long before I can get a clutch pulley on it and at least do a bench test, like throw it on the bench plank here and just fire it up and let the tranny spin. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed. I will keep you updated. Got my custom bearing wheel hubs made. God damn. Yeah, it has 1 and 2 Allen key lockers. It was actually a bearing, I just welded it solid. Melted the bearing face off the wall of the bearing and actually welded the balls to the outside and the center, and yeah, you can see it good there. Just welded the crap out of it so it's just one big piece. And that's my wheel hubs, so I can lock them on with the Allen keys, and should be enough. It's only 3 horse, so it's not like it's gonna be dealing with a shitload of torque. Anyway guys, that's it, and I'll probably do another update when I get it at least fired, and so I can engage the transmission and whatnot. Not sure if I'm going to put brakes on it or not. Because I don't plan on going that fast, I don't think I will. The brakes on the bike should be sufficient. If not, I can always just weld a disc on the shaft and go for disc brakes. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated.